special guest, which you know by now, a very close friend of mine. Her name is
Faiza,
and today I'll be doing her makeup blindfolded. I've seen this trend before and I really wanted to try it, and finally. So yeah guys, please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Yes. So let's jump straight into this phase. Okay, so we have everything sorted, right?
Yeah.
So you can put on your serum salon. There you go. Okay, so now that Faiza have a serum on, her face is nicely protected, so the makeup won't be going like immediately on the skin. I want to like test it. Can you guys see? Because I would not be able to see. Okay, so yeah.
am I gonna have to guide you through?
You'll be handing me something. Okay, so how we are going to go about this is she will be handing me the products and then I will be placing it on her face. Let me start with just a little patting it around. Okay, wait, let me start with the one side. Go to the eyes, get that corners. Yeah. Put some more. Is it in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
We pat it everywhere. Okay, you can keep this now. Okay. Okay. Just pat it, spread it nicely out, and then go over everything. Corners, nose nicely, corners here, cheeks, below the nose. How do we feel? Where it's a bit like you can feel it needs to be spread out. Okay, this feels like it's well put in. Where's your chin? Yeah, your chin is freak small.
I have small voice.
Okay, I think this is due. Okay, next, can you please provide me with what you would put on next?
Okay. So next, I forgot the other concealer, but this is the lipstick concealer.
Lipstick, like meaning the why is you saying lipstick concealer?
Can you feel it's like that shade that kind you would use for lips? The stick.
So I have to put it on your lips?
No, it's concealer. So you put it by my eyelids.
Okay. I'm gonna do what I would do with my
Yeah.
face. Okay, so okay. Okay. Okay, so now give me the thingy to push it in. This is basically just for that eye bags, you know, just to like, you know, cover it up a bit. No, this is enough. Give me the sponge to put it in.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
And on my eye.
Oh, now I'm not gonna put on eyeshadow.
No, you need to squeeze in the eye because you put it there already.
Sorry. Sorry if I poked you. Okay, I think that should be enough. Now can you please hand me some mascara?
Woo! You're doing so
Yay! I'm feeling like I'm doing a good job. You want this mascara?
Yes, this is a mascara.
Okay, let me feel where is it. Okay. Okay. Ooh. I'm gonna just do this with your brows because you have perfect brows already. They're nice and full, so I feel like even doing that will help. So now with the mascara, ooh, this is gonna be challenging.
Don't poke my eye. Poke everywhere else but the eye.
Okay, cool. Oh my gosh, I'm just envisioning everything right now. Where's the eyelashes? Oh yeah, girl. Oh shit. Oh yeah, girl. I'm gonna put my fingers on top so that I know I'm at the right place. Okay, there we go. Next one. Put my fingers on top so that I know, like when I do the lashes, like oh yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, here's my finger. Where's my finger? Shit, With my finger. Okay, finger and mascara. Now look for the eye and then put the middle finger down. And then there we go. Oh my god. What?
You're brushing the eyelid at the bottom.
Okay, I think that's enough.
Okay, now the blush.
Blush.
It's the Avon brand.
Ooh, this is not an ad. This is not sponsored. She paid for it.
Yes.
Isn't this bronzer?
The bronzer one. Yes.
Yo, this used to be my first bronzer. This used to do the taste.
Oh, I love it.
This used to be do the taste. Yeah. If you don't know this bronzer from Avon, then I don't know. Am I in the screen?
Yes, you are.
Okay, so this I'm just gonna go over. Like a lot of people use bronzer for contouring, but you can also do it to make your color one. So if your foundation is like maybe light or anything, which I don't know because I can't see anything over here, but you can blend it in with bronzer, or you can also use it for contour. So, which I do, and I blend it in because bitch is too cheap to buy her own foundation. So she's sticking to Essence right now. I use the same foundation as you. I need to, then I mix the two, but it's up, it's expired, so I think
how long does the foundation last?
at the back, no, there will be like a little lid, like a jar with a lid, like a makeup jar thingy, and then it will be a number with the end next to it. So from the time you open, that's the time.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so if you open it December and next year December, it's done now.
So I think mine's also expired.
Yeah, and that will help also with the pimples and stuff. We cannot do acne, we cannot wear makeup, and then it looks like we have a beard and stuff. Even though sometimes we're very desperate to put on that makeup, we can just cover it with concealer, but good skin will give a great makeup look. So
I use the Rimmel.
Yeah.
What is this for the blush? So it's Rage to and it's the blush.
Is it liquid? Is it
No,
mousse?
it's the mousse.
Okay, so
There is it, yeah.
Oh, there it is, yeah. Okay, so can you give me the apple cheeks? So let me feel. Okay, this is the face, this is the eyes, this is the this is the jaw. No, not
No,
the
that's
jaw.
the cheek. That's the
cheekbone. So here's the apple. Okay.
It's smiling for you.
Yeah, it's the apple viti. Guys, sorry for the background noise. We are moms and we don't know what to do. Like we don't really put them in front of TVs and stuff. So if they do pop up in the video, no, go inside with pussy. So not now. Oh my gosh, she just gave me a kiss and he has snoot on my nose. Oh my gosh. Oh. Hopefully. Oh yeti. I feel so nervous about this. Now, what's next?
The highlighter.
Woo! Give me that jawline. Wait, let me get it. There's the head, there's the forehead, there's the eyebrows, there's the
And there's it.
There we go. Okay, I'm gonna do it like this.
Let me open this. Keep the
Okay.
sponge, and I opened it for you.
Where is it?
There. There.
Okay, cool. Is it on?
Yeah.
Oh my word. Is it gold or silver?
So it's white-ish.
Wait, quickly. Okay, so let me try and do it like. Here we go. How am I doing so far? And don't forget the nose.
It's just a mascara.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I'm actually doing good.
Just the mascara.
Yeah. Okay.
Wow. Okay, so now is it the lipstick?
Lipstick.
Oh, sorry.
What happened?
You touched on it.
Okay, lipstick.
So that is very dark, so you just have to dab it.
Okay, no problem. So this is the top lip, right? Your lips
Yeah.
are really small. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm trying to cheat here, but I can't see shit. Okay, finger. Where's my finger?
No, you.
Where's my finger? Okay. So with that same finger, I'm gonna touch your lip, and then I'm gonna touch your bottom lip, and then connect it, and then all you have to do is mix it in, girl. Haha. Ooh. So now the finishing spray.
Yes. So now. Do we have to put on the spray?
I'm so excited. Yes. Where'd you buy this?
Avon.
Avon, is it showing? Yo, I was used to be an Avon girl, making me miss. I'm an Essence girl now.
Is it? I need to move away.
Shake it off. Okay. Can I look now?
Yes.
1,
2.
Not so bad.
Oh, I told you it's just the mascara.
Yeah, the light is bright. Oh my word, it's just the mascara.
I told you.
Oh, come closer to them. Let me just show them how it looks up in person. Okay. Yeah, it's not so bad. That's gonna soak in now. It's just the mascara. Look at that blush. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, let's wait for that to soak in and I'm gonna show you guys again.
Sister.
Oh, that worked?
Yes.
I see it did. Yeah.
What do you call that though? The finger guiding.
Yes, yes.
It actually worked.
I'm so smart. I should actually be a beauty therapist.
Yes, I also believe so.
This is a sign that I should be a beauty therapist. I mean, like the finger technique came in the moment. And
Came in handy.
And it actually worked. Guys, give me a thumbs up, please. So this is the end to the video. This was actually so much fun, and to be honest, I am really proud of myself. I expected like really, you can actually walk outside like this.
I can. I just have to fix this eyelid and then I can walk outside.
Definitely. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to wear your
Mask
when you go outside. Bye.